Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the green flash issue you might be having on Snapchat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Snapchat application. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go to your app store on your mobile phone, download the Snapchat application, and after downloading it, you want to go ahead and open it up. After opening it up, go ahead and log into your Snapchat account just like we did, and it's going to look like this. So this is your main page from where you can get started with taking snaps with your camera and so on. And now let's go and take a look at the issue you might be having if Snapchat is green instead of yellow and you cannot use your flash. So basically guys, this is a problem that a lot of people had, but it was easily fixable because this was something that was made for Easter guys. It was made as a prank version, but it wasn't developed correctly. So people have been reporting on Reddit and similar forums that they had issues with their green flash and that they couldn't fix it. So there was only one solution that was working. You can either go ahead and wait it out for it to update itself so it can get fixed, or basically just go ahead and download the application again. So you want to uninstall the application from your mobile phone, delete Snapchat by holding on it right here, click remove app, and it's going to enable you to delete the application. Once you have done so, you can go ahead to the app store and download it again. Once you have done so, the application is going to fix itself because the problem is no longer occurring and you're no longer going to have the green flash problem. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.